October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, an annual campaign to increase awareness of the disease. According to the Ministry of Health, it will be doing its part in bringing awareness as quite a number of Jamaican women are suffering from this deadly disease. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell tells us more in this evening's Health Report.
According to the World Health Organization, there are about 1.38 million new cases and 458,000 deaths from breast cancer each year. The WHO says breast cancer is by far the most common cancer in women worldwide, both in developed and developing countries. Locally, Director of Non-Communicable Diseases and Injuries Prevention in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Tammy Davidson, says Jamaica is not unique to this deadly disease. She says breast cancer is the cancer that occurs most often in Jamaica.
The Jamaica Cancer Registry at the University of the West Indies, in their last publication, reported that we had almost 5,000 cases in Kingston and St. Andrew alone. And again, further highlighted that breast cancer was the leading cause of cancer incidence in Jamaica.
It's still not clear what causes breast cancer. However, some of the main symptoms include a breast lump or thickening that feels different from the surrounding tissue and changes in the size, shape, or appearance of a breast. For Dr. Davidson, this is a major public health problem that must be addressed.
So the risk factors that are shared with respect to breast cancer, with respect to diabetes are shared, and many times persons that also have breast cancer also have high blood pressure, also have diabetes, also have all of these conditions. And so this is important that we also address this.
If breast cancer is detected early, then there's a good chance the individual can be cured. But if detected late, treatment is no longer an option. Meanwhile, Dr. Davidson says apart from the Jamaica Moves initiative, which promotes physical activity to combat non-communicable diseases like breast cancer, there are other initiatives to fight the deadly disease.
The launch of a food industry task force to look at ensuring that we have access to healthy foods, the launch of the National Operational Plan and Action for the Prevention and Control of Obesity in Children and Adolescents, and the creation of the Healthy Youth Positive Energy campaign and initiative school club within the schools throughout Jamaica.
Breast Cancer Awareness Month 2017 will be celebrated under the theme Give Hope, Save Lives. With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health.